very sunny in Seattle today. Welcome to J. Productions. Are you tired of having to pay outrageous amounts of money for a simple night guard? Well, have no fear, guys, because Pro Teeth Guard is here. First of all, what are night guards? They're basically guards used to protect the mouth to prevent the teeth from bruxism, known otherwise as teeth grinding. So if you don't protect it, the more it happens, the more you are subject to your teeth having the loss of enamel. Enamel erosion causes oversensitivity, and as a result, you may not be able to withstand hot or cold beverages. Without the enamel protecting your teeth become susceptible to decay. In addition, your teeth can decay due to attrition, abfraction, and gum recession. We already know how expensive dental bills can be. So today I'm going to be comparing Pro Teeth Guard's Hybrid Night Guard versus the Soft Night Guard. So first off, as you can see, the Hybrid Night Guard costs about $180. Let's see what they have to say about this. The Hybrid Custom Night Guard is for moderate to heavy teeth grinding. It is designed to ease jaw, muscle pain, and protect your teeth against grinding damage. Alright, and for the Soft Night Guard, it is specifically designed. This custom night guard is for light to moderate teeth grinding. It protects your teeth and eases jaw muscle pain. It's also ideal for those who suffer from teeth clenching rather than grinding, since the soft material acts as a cushion for the clenching forces. So first, let me introduce you to a quick overview, and then I'll do the comparison. Your Pro Teeth Guard is going to come inside this box. Satisfaction guaranteed. That's what it's all about. Perfect customer service too. Alright, so we have the order form. No need to look at that. And what is in here? What is in here? Oh, this must be the... Oh, this is the pre-labeled shipping package with your address and name already in there. Alright. And instructions. Make sure you read it all. I'm going to have to read this myself too. Okay, should be pretty much straightforward. And then we have a couple of these trays. Let's see what they sent me. They sent me some medium and some large. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. Alright, so we have an extra putty right here for medium grinding, I guess. Reuse in tray if needed. This is a 2-putty mixture. We have 2 upper trays and 2 lower trays. This is for the medium size 3. This is for lower tray, medium size 4, upper tray, large 1, lower tray, large number 2. So depending on how big of a bone structure, your jaw structure is, make sure you use the one that fits you accordingly. And in case you're wondering what the mouth guards look like, okay, so that's the upper. And here's the lower for the medium size. So here's how my upper and lower impressions turned out. I think they look pretty good, If you're not happy with it, you have an extra set of clay mix that you can redo it. So once you're happy with it, put it in a prepaid envelope, and then in 7-11 business days, you'll have your new mouth guard shipped to you. Okay, in just about a week's time, I received my package via first class mail. And as you can see, this is a soft night guard, $159.99. And this is, I believe, is a quick thank you card. Explain how to use it and clean it. Ah, look how beautiful it is. Comes with this professionally made mouth guard case. Here, there we are, guys. That's the soft night guard. Wow. Look how beautiful it is. This is definitely soft. Wow, I think I can get used to this. Look how detailed it is. So this goes in the upper teeth. You do have the option of using wanting them to imprint the bottom or lower teeth, but most people wear on the upper teeth. So what you're now seeing is the soft night guard, and that's the hybrid model. make sure you check out the video about that, because I do a comprehensive video showing how to actually do the imprint step-by-step process. I think it only differs about $20 or so between the two models. As you can see, the hybrid model is definitely thicker and getting some used to. I actually wore it for a couple of nights, and it does take a lot of getting used to, because I noticed I've been drooling on that a lot, and your body's natural reaction when you have a foreign object in the mouth is to drool. But this does prevent from moderate to heavy grinding, and it is more rigid compared to the soft model. I think I can get used to this one, no doubt. All right, so those are two models. I'm gonna wear it later. And here is a regular over-the-counter one, super uncomfortable and cheap. Look at how ugly it looks. I mean, look at how thick it is too. Yeah, that's no good. All right, so here we are with the three models. First, I'm gonna try the very cheap over-the-counter model. Oh man, super uncomfortable. See how easy it falls out? You don't want that to be stuck in your throat while you're sleeping. Seriously. All right, I'm gonna try the hybrid model right here for medium to heavy teeth grinding, otherwise known as Bruxism. See how easy that fits in there? Contour to fit my upper teeth. It feels good. It feels good, but I do notice it's there though. Like I said, it takes some adjusting. And here is a soft model. I have very high hopes for this one. Wow. I barely notice it's there. Seriously. It's soft there. I can get used to this. Well, there you have it, guys. If you are in the market for a professional mouth guard to prevent teeth grinding, protect your teeth and your gums, to save yourself money from having to, get dental surgery or fixing your teeth. We already know how expensive that can be. So check out Pro Teeth Guard. You can ask the professionals if you have any questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Until next time, take care of yourselves and especially your teeth.